Watch the full video please.
What's up everybody, 360 Juice here, back with another video for you guys. And today I'm going to be reacting to another hashtag 360 Juice washing style video. I haven't really been reacting to you guys' washing style because I've been doing a lot. But I'm trying my hardest to keep you guys in rotation and keep giving you guys a shout out, especially if you have the hashtag 360 Juice in your title and description when you're doing your washing styles. That way I could react and give you a shout out. But yeah guys, this morning I actually uploaded a post on Instagram. So I uploaded a post on Instagram asking, why is washing and styling so important and beneficial to your waves? Drop answers in the comments. And I got a couple of answers. Let's see what they said. It helps progress, definitely. To break forks and make it easier for your hair to shift. Yes, when your hair is in that wet stage, it's a lot easier for your hair to shift. Alright, so that was a good answer by modest_cam. Dot_gent said to keep your hair clean. Of course, yeah, we wash our hair to keep it clean so it can get rid of the dirt and make your hair feel good and healthy. Yes, get rid of all the dirt and old oils and products that's already in your hair. Helps lay and break forks. Definitely helps lay and break forks. It definitely helps you lay your hair down. You guys got a lot of great answers. If you guys are not already following me on Instagram, go do that right now. I'm gonna have my link in my description, and I got my name up here or either up here. It's either right here in that corner. I think it's right here. One of those, because when I'm editing, I'll figure it out. So go follow and also like my recent posts. But yeah guys, with that being said, let's jump right into this video.
They know that I'm never lacking. You ain't never gotta ask me. I'ma do what I gotta do for the fam. I'ma make it happen. Was on the way out, but I'm backing. Need a new bank account with the cash in it.
Alright y'all, so we got the washing style video right here by Justin Wilson. Only has 1 subscriber. Why 1 subscriber? Why you guys not following? You feel me? Why you guys not subscribing? Go support, you feel me? Justin Wilson, big shout out to Justin for uploading this washing style video. So I'm gonna watch it, react to it, give him some feedback, and see what he's doing right, see what he's doing wrong, and maybe I might learn something from it too. So yeah, y'all go subscribe to Justin. Let's make this video full screen. Let's jump right into it. Let's hit play. One thing I like about Justin's video right here is he has no music playing in the background, okay? No music means no copyright, and I love that. I don't like copyright, you feel me? So no music, just straight original sound, everything. So big shout out to Justin for that. And the video is 7 minutes long, right here. I like these 7-minute long video because me reacting to 7-minute long videos will probably make the video 15 to 20 minutes long. But if the video is 20 minutes long, then my video is gonna be like 30 to 40 minutes long, and I don't want that, you feel me? So that's why I only react to the videos that's like 5 to 10 minutes long, no longer than 10 minutes. Yeah, let's go. I can already see that Justin already has waves. His waves look a little, right here, they look a little tiny. So my advice on that will probably just to comb your hair out every single day, Justin. So maybe that definition and that length, that your waves could, you know, become wider. If I'm being honest, I don't think I know how to make your waves wider, but I just feel like combing your hair while you're wolfing makes your waves wider, gives it depth, like more, you know, space and not too close, like Justin's hair right here. But yeah, first you gotta wet your hair, definitely. So Justin's using a bar of soap. I'm not really sure about using bar of soaps as shampoo. Maybe they do the same thing, but I know the ingredients are probably different. Maybe the bar of soaps ingredients are different for the body than it is for your scalp. So I'm not really sure on using soap as shampoo, but let's continue. But yeah, the lather is looking pretty decent, but it's not great. You know, the lather is not great because of the dandruff, not dandruff, but like the dirt, the product that's in there. That's what's making it not lather. But once all of those products are out, it's gonna be a lot easier for, you know, his hair to lather up. All right, now Justin just rinsed out his hair. Now he's gonna go in with a second wash, and that is going to be the styling part. Okay, there you go. Now he's using the soap, you know, to really get the lather in there. The lather should look a lot better with this one. And now Justin is styling, which is the great, you know, that the method is going pretty good so far. Going in with a detangling shower brush to detangle the hair and put the hair in position before going in with his regular brush. And if you guys want to know where the progress comes in, it's during the brush session. So if you do washing styles twice a week and you're not brushing, you're not gonna see progress. If you brushing 15 minutes every washing style, 15 to 20 minutes, you're really gonna see progress. You should be brushing with a medium brush until that medium brush turns soft. Because when you brush with the when your brush is wet, it becomes soft. So if you're brushing and during your wash session and your brush is still hard, you're not done yet. You feel me? You gotta keep brushing until the brush is soft. And that's just how I see it, man. That only means brush longer, 15-20 minutes. That's how you're really gonna break those forks and shift that hair. I see some noodles in there, Justin. So you're doing pretty good. Drop this detangling shower brush, picked it back up, and started brushing again. That's what's up, man. That's what's up. Okay, so you got the toothbrush. Those of you guys that's confused about this right here, the toothbrush, that's for the crown. Justin, it wants his crown to be in place, so the toothbrush fits perfectly in his crown. So that's why he's using that. You feel me? And I hope you don't brush your teeth with that toothbrush, Justin. You can't be using the toothbrush that you use to brush your teeth. You feel me? Use a toothbrush that you don't really use like that for your crown isolation. And that's what you call crown isolation too, guys. Crown isolation. Now, Justin is going with his regular brush, and this is where the time you need to put in the time. Okay, gotta clock in, put in the hours, put in the minutes. That's not hours. I wouldn't advise you to brush your hair for hours with the shampoo in, but you know, at least 15 minutes. That's how you're really gonna break those forks and move everything. So the lather is getting better, which I really love, because the more lather you have, the more, this is the difficult word for me, but the more lather you have, the more manipulative your hair becomes. You guys got that? Yeah. But if you don't have any lather, your hair is gonna start frizzing up and it's gonna start over curling. So the more lather you have, the better it is to lay your hair down. So that's why lather is very important, and that's why I stress that a lot, guys. But yeah, lather's looking pretty decent right here, Justin. Doing pretty good. Your noodles in there. When you see the noodles like this, y'all see this? When you see noodles looking like this, that means your lather's pretty decent. His lather's not too great to the point where he can't see his pattern. Alright, that's perfect right there, man. Alright, so what's Justin doing right here? This part right here, he's just laying his hair down. So he just went over with his palm. Now he's adding oil, that hydration pack back in there, you feel me? Adding the nutrients back in. But I really feel like that's a waste. Because if you put in oil in your hair with the shampoo in, I feel like the shampoo is gonna be greater than the oil, because the nutrients in the shampoo, not the nutrients, but the chemicals in the shampoo is battling the products anyway. So there's no point. Feel me? I feel like all of that should be added in after you rinse out the shampoo. Oh snap! I'm so focused on telling you guys what to do. I'm not even focusing on the results, man. Let me see the unwrite again, Justin. Okay, right there. This is a perfect example of how a perfectly, bro, I don't even know what word I'm looking for, but this was just dope. This method right here was dope, all right? It was great overall method. The outcome is amazing. The lay, do you guys see how laid his hair is? He did everything perfectly. He used the mirror, he used the detangling shower brush, he used the brush for about 15 minutes, and then he went in with his palm to lay his hair down, then he ragged up and then double compressed. And then this is the result. This is what you get right here, which is amazing. And that was a very great job by Justin. His hair is super laid. The shine is there. I could definitely see the shine. There's no sign of over curling. Everything looks super dope. And this was just the best example. Out of this whole series, this was one of the best examples. I'm not gonna say this was the best. This was one of the best examples that I could use for one of my videos to show you guys, you know, what to do and what not to do. So, amazing job by Justin Wilson. This was, like I said before, one of the best videos I've reacted to on this Wash and Style series that I've been doing. Justin Wilson, you did an amazing job, bro. There's nothing that I could say that you did that was wrong in this video, besides not adding the conditioner, you feel me, afterwards. When it comes to the oil, adding the oil with the shampoo, I don't think that works. Personally, I don't think that works. I've never tried it, but me personally, I just don't think it works. If you think it works, drop in the comments why you think it works. Adding oil with the shampoo, like, I just feel like it's no point. Y'all go subscribe to my boy Justin. Good job, Jess.